Welcome to Thomas Top 5, where we highlight our most popular recent stories. The largest sail-powered cargo ship launched in Turkey and will undergo final construction and testing before its expected delivery in June 2025. The neoliner Origin aims to significantly reduce carbon emissions on a transatlantic route by primarily utilizing wind power and a hybrid diesel-electric system. See footage of the innovative vessel. Meanwhile, electric vehicle maker Rivian has spun out its micromobility business into a new startup called Also Inc., which will focus on developing lightweight EVs. The independent company has received $105 million in venture capital funding to advance its next phase. Read more about the startup and its future relationship with Rivian in our article. In other EV news, Porsche has launched a pilot project to test a closed-loop system for recycling high-voltage EV batteries. This initiative aims to recover valuable materials like cobalt and lithium for reuse in new batteries. Learn more about the recycling trial in this write-up. Moving on to the robotics industry, Apple Machine's Learning Research Division has created technology to make robots more interactive and expressive. A robotic desk lamp was equipped with movements and gestures to better engage with people for both expressive and functional tasks. Watch our video to see the bot demonstrate its human-like and functional modes. Lastly, Schneider Electric has announced a $700 million investment in its U.S. operations, which will fund 8 projects across 6 states and create over 1,000 new jobs. The spending is the industrial tech firm's largest capital expenditure to date. Head over to our coverage to learn how the plan will modernize Schneider's energy infrastructure. For more industrial news and trends, head to thomasnet.com/insights. I'm Megan Conniff, and this is Thomas Top 5.